Hi everybody, my name's Nam and I'm a chainsaw carver. Today's super exciting because I'm going to do my first dog chainsaw carving. This is going to hopefully look like Jess, the dog. I'm really looking forward to this because I'd love to do more dog chainsaw carving, so I'm hoping it goes well. So yeah, stick around, let's see how it goes.
So she's all finished. I'm so proud of myself for this one. I think it's my best carving to date. I still can't believe 7 months ago I hadn't picked up a chainsaw and now I'm creating things like this. It blows my mind. So this is Jess. So pleased with how she's turned out. If you like my work, please follow. If you want yourself a carving, if you want yourself a custom dog carving like this, then just get in touch with me through my website, or you can DM me on social media. And yeah, until next time, I'll see you then.